Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Charlotte here and today I am going to be walking you around our Hymer B MC T 690. So this is the Blackline edition. So I am going to talk you through some of the exciting specification that comes as part of that package as we make our way around the vehicle. But starting through some of the key spec, this is a 4.5 tonne vehicle. It's a 3-berth. You've got the obsidian black paint on the front, and then you've got the lovely Blackline details along the side, which we will get into. And it's also 7.49 metres in length. So making our way around to the side, we've got our full omnistrator awning, which is in black. That is part of the Blackline package. You've got your gloss black alloys with the all-season tyres. Now onto the garage, you've got a huge garage here. It's operated by central locking, so you can open it with your key. And as we make our way in here, we've got our external shower point. You've access to hot and cold water there. You've got an additional 3-pin plugs. And then as well as this, if you do need the full height of the garage, the island bed is actually adjustable by that button there. And those little blocks in there are part of the 3rd berth kit that comes as part of the Blackline package. So at the back, we have our driving aids. You've got your reverse camera. As you can see, we have the Mercedes badge, so we're built on the Mercedes chassis. It's an 170 brake horsepower engine, and you've got the 9G automatic gearbox. Round the other side is just your access to the garage from both sides. Here is your double floor. So this is your external garage. Obviously, you can access that from the inside as well. And then just beside me here is your gas locker. So we're into the driver's seat, and as you can see, we're in a beautiful full leather upholstery finish, tied in with your lovely leather steering wheel as well. You've got your adaptive cruise control built in here, with your voice recognition as well. You've got your 9G Tronic gear stick is just over here to the right, and then we've got our push to start with your engine. So down below here is just your climate zone, and then you've got the 10.25 MBX infotainment system. With your Hymer Connect app built in there. You've got your DAB radio, and as well as that, you can connect your phone up for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So we're into our front lounge area. Now, this table does collapse down and make into a 3rd berth. So as I was saying, that does come as part of the Blackline package. You've got the L-shaped lounge with your 3rd and 4th seat belt, and then you've got an additional bench seat there. So it does have that nice open plan feel to it. The control panel is just up here. So it's fully touchscreen. You can connect to it through your phone with the Hymer Connect app and access your settings through your phone. Beside that is your Truma. So this vehicle runs off the gas and electric heating. Just beside me is 32-inch TV. So it's actually on a swivel bracket. And again, one of the lovely features that comes with the Blackline package. So you can adjust that to wherever you're sitting and tuck it back in. Just behind that then is fridge. As you can see, it's massive. It's nearly the full height of me. So you've got plenty of storage there, and you've got a decent sized freezer box too. So behind me is the kitchen, and you have lovely big cupboards here. You've plenty of storage. You've 3-ring gas burner and a separate oven and grill. So this is the lovely island bed layout. Now, we don't have many of these left in our Hymer low profile range, and they're a very good seller. So this is your island bed, and you can adjust that from the garage, as I was saying earlier on. That's it obviously the full way down. And then in the bedroom area, we've got a 22-inch Alphatronics smart TV, as well as the one in the front. Just behind me is your full size wardrobe, so you've got one at each side as well. So this is our bathroom setup. This door actually closes over and gives you the full space. Then obviously you have a separate shower and toilet. Your sink and your toilet's over here. You have a little vanity cupboard, lovely little mirror for your get ready with me's in the morning. And you've got your shower here at this side, which again, lovely generously sized shower. So that was the walk through our Hymer B MC T 690. Check it out on the website. We have a little special offer on at the minute, so do be quick and check that out if you're interested. If you have any questions or queries, give us a wee call. You can get us an 028 926 9 399. Thank you.